Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to teach you Primavera P6. This video is based on the introduction of Primavera P6. We will talk about the basic questions about Primavera. What is Primavera? And then history of Primavera, and then strength of Primavera. And in last we will discuss uses of Primavera that are very important. What is Primavera? Basically, it is most common critical path based planning software used in planning and executing large engineering projects. In fact, it is hard to think of another software system aside from Microsoft Excel that is as commonly used across process and heavy industrial engineering sector as Primavera P6. Primavera P6 is used to identify the critical path of large engineering projects and manage changes to design and construction strategies over the life of the project. So now we will talk about the history of the Primavera. So Primavera original company's name was Primavera System and was established in 1983. In 1998, the software system started to develop into a server-based approach that allowed the Primavera to act as portfolio system. It has two variants. First is stand-alone variant and second is enterprise portfolio system. So first of all, we will talk about standalone variant. You shall find that standalone variant is used in vast majority of cases of contractors and suppliers. They shall use it as part of their reporting requirements and complex jobs. Enterprise portfolio system. A much smaller amount of people use the enterprise portfolio system for strategic planning purpose. The supplier will feed data into their system from stand-alone variant. Now we will talk about the strength of the Primavera. The first is legal strength. Primavera P6 has a history of being used in courts around the world to document and defend project pay claims and progress disputes. Also, Primavera is required legally in some projects or countries as part of regulation. This legal precedent mean that critical path method of project planning is generally done in P6. The construction industry is very litigious one. Projects seldom go to plan, and when changes occur, they are often costly disputes that can end up being settled in court or by arbitration. Many contractors baseline and update their construction schedule as part of way to gather back up evidence in case of dispute. As P6 is linked to the database, the information can be securely stored. Project disputes resolution and pay claims is specially field project planning and Primavera P6 data is generally used to create the analysis that support the claims. Now we will talk about the financial strength. P6 allows the project budget to be integrated into execution strategy and managed as work progresses. It acts as the connection between project financing strategy and project execution strategy. Project decision maker often come from corporate finance and business operations background. Primavera P6 ability to interface into financial system and produce reports that align with financial reporting requirements is a very important feature on some projects. Often a large project represents the most important step in the company future strategy. The ability to tie financial strategy to execution strategy is important feature. Now we will talk about portfolio management strength of Primavera P6. Primavera P6 is hosted on SQL Server. This means that many participants can access the database at the same time and perform the specialized task. Projects can be divided and stacked into number of organization structure. The portfolio management aspect of P6 has been further enhanced through 100% online accessibility. So now we will talk about the technical strength. So the technical strength. So the technical strength of Primavera P6 uses as a critical path method scheduling algorithm for shorting project activities. The activities can then be reduced, loaded, and coded to create a wide range of reports. Activities can be scheduled according to resources and complex shift calendar can be included in project plans. Primavera P6 is a pure calculation engine and require the activities to be sequentially linked. The only other alternative is mandate the activity start or finish. So now we will talk about the uses of Primavera P6. First use is capital project. First is capital project. P6 is used to manage the execution timeline and cost and resource estimates for one of capital projects. It is typically for capital projects to move through a number of execution approval gates as project moves from conception to execution. The client group will typically manage the project and integrated the schedules and other projects data from the project contractors and suppliers. Now we will talk about the second important uses ongoing maintenance. P6 can be used to schedule and manage ongoing maintenance work on facility of network such as wind farm or electrical grid. And third uses of Primavera P6 is turnarounds. High risk, large impact project that fit into a plant's shutdown schedule. The work is carefully planned and managed and communicated as any delay has a huge per day cost impact on productivity. That was all about Primavera introduction. In next video we will use the dashboard of the Primavera and we will work practically. Thank you.